Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Paano kung ito yung ating tanong? The circles on the upper rows are combinations of the circles on the bottom rows. Identify the best logical fit for the given figures. A, B, C, or D. So similar po sa nangyari ng mga previous videos, it's understandable here based on our instruction na yung nasa taas ay combination ng yung nasa baba. Okay? Or you're going to look at this like this. If you're going to combine all the bottom, you will get the question mark, or the bottom parts are actually the broken pieces of what's above. So if you have an example of an abstract problem like this, you can draw a circle here. Okay, pardon if it's not a circle, okay? Let me redo it. Pasensya. Okay, I cannot make a perfect circle here. So let me just make it larger for better emphasis. Yan, parang ganyan. Okay, so i-combine na natin itong mga nasa baba. That's my technique here. Okay, so pwede naman i-combine yung nasa gitna kasi nga they comprises the question mark, the one we're looking for. Or you could combine all of this as well. The first one here is meron tayong arc dito or curve. Pagkatapos sa gitna, you will have a straight line. Okay, so with that, let's proceed to the next here. So di talaga makikita to yung circle dito. But anyway, so tama na ito. Yung pangalawa, actually another curve here. Supposedly it will meet here and a straight line. Okay, pardon for that. Anyways, you were able to understand naman ang ibig sabihin yan. Okay, so ito na po yung pangalawa. Now, before we proceed to the third one, you can now apply here elimination method. Instead of 4 options, pwede nyong ibaba sa isa or dalawa or tatlo by looking into this. We know that we have here a straight line. So check, 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 and check. We know that this is a circular figure, in short here, circle, 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 circle. And we have here this line, a vertical line. This doesn't have, so that's not. This doesn't have, not done yan. Meron siya, dito wala din. So see, in just a combination of 2, we're able to know automatically yung sagot natin. The answer is letter C because this is only figure with a straight vertical line similar to this, which is a combination of this area. But of course, you may continue if you would like to, but since it's a examination, so time is of the essence, you may have that. Pero yun nga, pwede naman i-complete. Pangatlo, may straight line dito, and may dalawang arcs din dito. So arc dito, and arc din dito. Okay? So you would see that it really fits this criteria here. It's just that my figure is not really perfect. Okay, the purpose of this is to have a strategy in making a faster answer, which is also the correct. Now, you could also combine, as mentioned earlier, yung nasa middle portion. But of course, it will just be the same. We have a circle here, straight line, and a vertical line and a horizontal line. And we have this here, already captured with this. And then we have 2 arcs with this. So this is the answer for this given abstract figure. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!